TDO versus FreshChat full comparison. So number one is their features. TDO is focused on small to mid-sized businesses with live chat, AI automation, and integrations like Shopify and WordPress. FreshChat, on the other hand, is part of the Freshworks ecosystem, offering advanced conversational, AI, and multi-channel messaging with tight CRM integration. Number two, ease of use. Tidio is lightweight, easy to install, and has a clean UI that non-technical users will love. FreshChat is more advanced, but it requires more setup and training. If you are new, Tidio is faster to start with. Number three, AI and automation. Tidio's AI bot is helpful for handling frequently asked questions, abandoned cart recovery, and quick replies, while FreshChat's AI is powered by Freddy AI, which is more sophisticated. It can detect intent, analyze customer sentiment, and escalate complex queries. Number four, their integrations. Tidio integrates with Shopify, Wix, and WooCommerce seamlessly, making it perfect for e-commerce, while FreshChat integrates deeply with Freshdesk, Freshsales, and other CRMs, making it better for larger teams. Lastly is their pricing. Tidio has a free plan and affordable upgrades starting around $29 a month, while FreshChat offers more robust plans, but pricing scales higher as you grow starting near $19 user per month. And for final verdict, if you're a small business or e-commerce store, Tidio is simple, affordable, and effective. But if you need enterprise-grade automation, multi-channel support, and CRM integration, FreshChat takes the lead. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.